Fix my hair up real nice. Yes, girl, yes. Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. If you're new to this channel, welcome, GWAN. Make sure you are subscribed down below. In today's video, I'll be giving you guys a 3-in-1 get ready with me. Hold on, I got lipstick on my teeth. You guys have been asking me to do makeup tutorials. I shy away from makeup tutorials because I don't think I'm that great at them in terms of application and detail and all of that. But you guys asked for it, so I might as well give it to you. So we'll be doing a full face beat in detail. I'm gonna do a braid out on my hair, and then I'm gonna give you guys some details on the outfit that I am wearing. So are you guys ready to get into the video? Because I'm about to give y'all some natural hair sexiness right here. Without further rambling, let's get straight into the video. Whew. Why am I look so oily? Damn. All this serum and moisturizing. Looking hella greasy, girl. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start with my makeup just to give my hair some more time to dry. So I'm gonna go into full details about my hair and styling after doing my makeup. Typically I do hair first, but I got some braids in. I'm trying to do a braid out. I haven't done my natural hair in a minute. So first thing we're gonna tackle is these brows. Do you see how squiggly wiggly my brows are? God has blessed me with a lot of things, but eyebrows ain't one. Okay, so thank God for Anastasia Beverly Hills and this dip brow to give me some fullness. Okay, so if you were born with full brows, kudos to you, but some of us gotta draw it on. So the first thing I do, I just make sure I line underneath, and then we go on top. And then I'm gonna go in with this beauty supply store pencil that I got for $1, and I'm just gonna fill in the front or the tip just to make it look, you know, a shade lighter, almost like an ombre. Okay, I think that's good. Like, look at the difference. Like, girl, what the heck? I try to let it grow in. I don't even shave my eyebrows. Like, they're just so, look at that. You would think because my brows are so thin, they would like stay in place, but they don't. So I'll be using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter Gel to make my eyebrows stay in place so they don't move around. To clean up the brows, I'm going to be using my ever faithful Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer in the shade Butterscotch. For above the brows, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast. So I need something obviously darker than underneath my brow bone, something that would match with my natural complexion. You don't want that halo. Oh, and the brush that I'm using is Morphe M167. And there we have it, fuller brows. We went from having none to a whole lot of. Now it is time for the foundation. For my foundation, well, before we get into foundation, we gotta prime. Okay, so I'll be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And ever since I used this, how long have I been using this? I've been using this at least a year and a half, if not more. This is like the best primer ever. Your foundation stays on, like white on rice stay on. Although you have brown rice. Ain't no other foundation give me results like NARS. All Day Luminous Lightweight Foundation. And this is in medium dark 5. So just pump that directly on my skin. And what I realized with this Milk Hydro Primer is that you want to do your foundation in stages, because I used to like put foundation all over and then just work in sections. But because the primer is so good, Your foundation might dry in droplets on your skin if you don't move fast. So this is with the foundation. This is without. So it's like a really good match. You see that, girl? You see that? All day luminous, child. All day luminous. Now it is time to conceal and contour. Okay, honey, get the highlight and the definition of the cheekbone. The Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Maple. Now I'm just gonna dab that in with this damp beauty blender. Now to contour, so we can get that definition in them cheekbones, we'll be using the Born This Way Too Faced concealer in the shade Cocoa. Now we are going to go back in with the Butterscotch concealer. Now it is time to set my concealer, and I'll be using the Mercier's translucent powder in the shade Honey. Oh shit. Damn. You guys ever want to sneeze and you're getting ready to sneeze and the sneeze just decides it's not gonna bother? Like, what the heck? Now I feel so unsatisfied. I feel like I need to sneeze. Oh my god. I'm gonna take some of the translucent powder and put it on my eyelids, because we did put concealer on the eyelids and I do not know at this point what I'm gonna do with my eyes. When I'm styling my natural hair, my makeup just depends on the vibe that I'm feeling. Let's see where this takes us. So I'll be using my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm using the palette The Warrior. This is my favorite palette to use when I'm trying to do something brown or a little bit of gold shimmer. Oh my god, there was supposed to be a Ulta. Is that what the store is called? Ultra? I don't even know. But there was supposed to be one in Toronto, and I think this year, because of everything that's happening, they decided not to be bothered to open one of those stores here, because nowhere else like has Juvia's Place in Toronto. But let's too much. On my brush. So we're gonna use this shade right here first. I'm gonna pack this onto my eyelids. So this is our base shade. Now I'm one of those people that will have a bunch of brushes and be using the same 3 brushes to do everything. Like, I am that girl. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. So I start with my lighter shades with the brush, and then I go in with the darker shades. So it really doesn't make a difference, does it? I don't think so. Maybe it does, but whatever. Now it is time to put some little bit of gold shimmer in the inner corners of the eyes. We're gonna be using this gold shade right here, this shimmery gold situation. Now, I don't want to do a wing or nothing crazy, because I always seem to mess up or they just don't look identical. So we'll be using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And then I'm going to use my NYX On The Rise Volume Mascara. And if you guys can't already tell already, my makeup routine and just makeup overall is mixed with a little bit of pricey and inexpensive products. Like I use a lot of NYX products, which usually range from like $10 to $20, if that much. And then I have my other stuff like my foundation that would be like $50 something, and my concealers and stuff. But I mix them up. It's just whatever works for me. Now for our lashes, we'll be using this lash. I got it on Amazon. The last time I showed you guys some lashes, y'all bought them and they were sold out for months. And now you like that. But I'm happy y'all be liking the stuff that I tell you to get. You never know, at this point I might mess around and get my own eyelashes. Y'all, I know this process seems long, but we're almost done, okay? I promise you we're almost done. Okay, now we are looking like Casper the Ghost, but that will be changed in a minute. Just patience, okay? Patience. I'm gonna go in with my NYX No Filter Finishing Powder, and this is just to be used like a bronzer, just to give me back some warmth into my face. We gotta get that jawline sharp. It's sharp. Y'all know I go by my jawbone. Okay, now it is time to set, and I'll be using the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. My lower eyelid a bit lonely, so we are going to be using this dark shade right here, this dark brown. Now that that's done, we're gonna go back in with our mascara for the lower lashes. Now it is time for the lips, girl. Them juicy lips, them big old juicy lips. Just crazy that the things that we used to be so insecure about, especially like my protruding jawline, it's like the favorite part of myself. I absolutely love my protruding jawline and my lips. I'm using this lip and eyeliner pencil from my local beauty supply store. It was only $1. So I'm gonna go in. I don't overline my lips. They're already big and chunky, girl. I don't need to do all of that. And I'll just smudge it up. Yeah, my nails. I let my sister do my nails, so they're not my usual nails that you probably are used to. But I let my little sister practice on me, girl. You gotta support their dreams. Even though I don't think she want to do that, she just want to practice on me. So I'll be using the, is it Huda or Huda? Huda. I'm so stupid. I'm using the Huda Beauty, what is this? Matte lipstick in the shade Anniversary. And what I do is I just dab this on because I don't want it to be too bright. I'm going to take my lip gloss, my NK Makeup Lip Gel from the beauty supply store, also for $1, and just apply that to my lips. Guys, ever since I got Invisalign, my lips have been way choppier than usual. I don't understand it, but my lips have been super choppy. And to keep the greasiness away, we're going to be using our Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. And there you have it, our face is done. Okay guys, let's move on to the hair. Now I did a little wash and braid situation last night. So the cream that I use is the Miche Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter. Now I did a whole review and video using this cream. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna put it in my hair and see how it turns out with these not so small but small braids. So I did it on wet hair, so my hair wasn't stretched or anything like that. It hasn't even been 24 hours as yet. Hopefully it's dry and we can style it and do something with it. I'll be using the Certified Bella Scalp Therapy Oil. If you are regulars and day ones here, you know I've been using this oil. So I'm gonna just put it on my scalp, especially on my problem area. I have eczema on the scalp. I get a little bit of itching, girl. Even when I like just wash my hair, after 2 days I get some itching in the back left side of my hair, and I think that's one of the reasons why I don't keep protective styles in too long. Like the itch be real serious on my head top, because like my braid outs never turned out like I expect them to. So it's like I didn't even have much hope or motivation. It's looking kind of juicy. Okay, girl, we got some juiciness over here and my hair is still moisturized. And if you guys don't know, I have low porosity hair, so creams tend to flake, and I don't have much flaking with this one. Now it is time to fluff this baby out. I'm gonna do this gently because this is where I mess up usually, because I start overdoing the fluffing and then my hair start looking crazy. We're gonna do an updo, maybe like a little fro or something, I don't know. I'm using the Aunt Jackie gel to style up the perimeter, you know, get it all sleeked and good. So this is literally one of my wig bands. If all else fails, a puff will save hair day. I almost hyperventilated just now to think that my hair looked all effed up. Okay, so I'm gonna do my edges. You don't have to do all of this, but I like it. I like to do my edges, you know, girl. I like to get my edges together. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, the natural hair had us in the first half, but we pulled through. So I took out a little couple strands in the back, you know, make it look carefree. So I'm about to pick out an outfit to go with this, and I'm gonna give y'all the deets. Okay. For my outfit, I'm wearing this shirt dress from Zara. I got it in a size small, and I'm wearing it with this Gucci black purse. And I decided to add my Fashion Nova stiletto heel boots. I did a video trying on different types of boots for the winter and fall, so you guys could check that out. And this is basically the entire look. Okay guys, now this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Comment down below what you think of this whole look. You know, we're giving you natural hair sexiness and a whole vibe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @Chev. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, you need to go on ahead and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.